Hello everyone.
Hello, my dear children.
So today, what is the day?
Tuesday, right?
Yes, Monday, Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday, Friday,
and
Saturday, Sunday.
Yes.
So today is Tuesday. Now, what is our topic?
Truly useful English sentences.
So we learn English.
Sentences.
Yes. So for our communication.
Yes, daily basis.
So if you want to talk to someone,
Yes.
you need to use sentences.
Yes.
And today's all sentences about.
Come.
So listen carefully. Today's class is all about sentences on
Come. Okay, children?
this is called one type of word. What kind of word?
Action word.
Action.
Right.
Talk.
Yes.
Walk.
Eat.
Run.
Write.
Eat. These are all called
Action words.
yes, action. You are doing.
Some action for all
Yes,
these words.
that's why these are all called
Action words.
action words.
Yes, children.
Now, which action word today we are learning?
Come. C-O-M-E.
Yes.
Come.
So, try to understand.
Yes.
What is the first letter?
C-O-M-E.
E.
Okay, children?
Come.
Listen carefully. What is this word?
Come.
Come.
C-O-M-E.
Come.
So, now, suppose the very first word.
Yes.
I come.
Yes, children. I come.
Okay.
Okay?
Suppose I come to
School. Okay.
I come to
to
school. Next. Every day.
Yes, children. I come to school every day.
So
You all are good children, right?
yes.
You do this. What?
Every day you come to school.
Yes.
So you can tell to someone every day
Yes.
I come to
School.
yes. Suppose you are telling tomorrow.
Yes. So you need to tell about tomorrow means I will. Okay, children? I will
Yes.
come as
So
usual.
tomorrow
Yes.
or afterwards.
Yes.
I
Will
will
come. Okay?
I will come.
Yes.
Hmm.
I will come to home
Yes.
or I will come to school.
I
like
will
that.
come tomorrow.
Yes.
So I will come
Tomorrow.
Today,
And
tomorrow. Yesterday.
Yes, children.
Yesterday,
If you want to
today,
talk about
tomorrow.
yesterday, the sentence should be
It will change.
Okay?
I
Came. Okay, children? Practice all these sentences.
Yes.
I came.
I came to
School.
school.
Yesterday, children.
Yesterday.
Okay. Yes. We need to change this word little bit. Come
Yes. Here
turns
also
into
come.
came.
So yesterday.
Yes.
I came. Yesterday.
Yes.
So I came to school
Yesterday.
I come to school
Today.
every day.
Okay. Every day.
I will come
Tomorrow. I will come to school tomorrow. Like that.
Like suppose.
Yeah.
Now she is my friend.
Okay.
She is going to park.
Okay.
And then I can say, I want to come with you.
Yes.
So
I want to
come.
with you.
So
Okay. Your friend is going to park. You
Yes.
also have interest to go there.
Yes.
So that's why you are telling, I want to come with you. Okay. So this
Okay.
sentence also you use regularly
Yes.
with anyone.
So I want to come with you.
Okay?
Yes.
Children. Next.
So like that, there are so many sentences.
Yeah.
Now let us try the sentences Telugu and English together.
Yes. Then you can understand it easily.
Okay.
Right, children?
Now, so I will tell in English, ma'am will translate it in
Telugu.
Okay.
Yes.
I will come tomorrow.
Means, children, here says it, I will come tomorrow. Tomorrow means you know very well. Means
So,
నేను వస్తాను. ఎప్పుడు? Tomorrow. రేపు. నేను వస్తాను రేపు.
Yes, నేను రేపు వస్తాను. I will come
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Okay, children.
Yes.
Okay, you want to tell to your friend about come to school when tomorrow. So మీరు మీ ఫ్రెండ్కి నేను రేపు స్కూల్కి వస్తా అని చెప్తారు కదా.
Yes.
So that time you should say this sentence. I will come to school tomorrow. I
Yes.
will come to school tomorrow. Okay, children?
Next. I want to come with you.
Yes, Sar is telling he wanted to come with me. Means ఏమంటున్నారు సార్? సార్ అంటే ఇతను నా ఫ్రెండ్ కదా, నేను కూడా వస్తాను అంటున్నాడు.
Yes.
పార్క్ కి, నేను పార్క్ వెళ్తున్నాను కదా, సో సార్ అంటున్నాడు నేను కూడా నీతో వస్తాను.
I want to come with
you.
Like
Okay?
your friend is going to play.
Yes.
Then you will say, no, I will also come with you.
Yes.
Or your mother is going to market. You
Yes,
will
then
say,
that time also ఏం
I will
చెప్తారు
also
మీరు?
come with you. I will
Yes.
also come with
మీ
you.
మమ్మ మార్కెట్కి వెళ్తే ఏమంటారు? అమ్మ నేను కూడా వస్తానంటారు కదా. సో
Yes.
మమ్మ ఆర్ మామ్ ఐ వాంట్ కమ్ విత్ యూ.
Yes. So I will come with you. I want to come with you. I will come with you. నేను కూడా నీతో వస్తాను. I want to come with you.
నాకు రావాలనిపిస్తుంది,
Yes.
నేను కూడా వస్తాను మీతో పాటు.
Yes.
ఓకే,
I
that is the difference.
came already.
Yes, here we are telling I came already.
Yes.
నేను వచ్చేసాను ఆల్రెడీ.
I came already. Suppose you are in school.
Yes.
So you already came to
School means I came to school already.
Yes. నేను ఆల్రెడీ స్కూల్కు వచ్చేసాను.
Yes.
Like that. Next. I don't want to come. I don't want to come.
I don't want to come means what, children?
నాకు రావడం
రావాలనిపించట్లేదంట.
రావడం ఇష్టం లేదు.
Yes, I don't want to come with you.
Yes.
మీతో రావడం నాకు ఇష్టం లేదు.
Yes.
నాకు రావాలని లేదు.
So I don't want to come. నాకు రావడం ఇష్టం లేదు.
Yes.
I don't want to come to school. నాకు స్కూల్కు రావడం ఇష్టం లేదు. But you should not say that.
Okay, you all should come to school every day. You all
Yes.
are like a good children, right?
Yes.
Yes, very good.
I come to school every day.
Yes.
ప్రతిరోజు నేను
School కి వస్తాను.
Yes, every day I come to school.
Every day.
Every day I come to school. Yes. And I am coming.
Yes. So your friend is asking you to, are you coming to school? మీరు స్కూల్కి వస్తున్నారా అని మీ ఫ్రెండ్ నిన్ను అడిగారు. సో
Yes.
అప్పుడు ఏం చెప్తారు మీరు?
yes.
ఐ కమ్ టు స్కూల్ అనొద్దు, ఐ యామ్ కమింగ్ టు స్కూల్ అనాలి.
yes.
ఎందుకంటే మీ ఫ్రెండ్ తో పాటు మీరు వెళ్తున్నారు కదా.
ఇప్పుడు వెళ్తున్నావు.
యా.
సో నేను వస్తున్నాను, నేను
Yes.
కూడా వస్తున్నాను. ఐ యామ్ ఆల్సో కమింగ్, ఐ యామ్ కమింగ్, నేను వస్తున్నాను.
Yes.
ఐ యామ్ ఆల్సో కమింగ్, నేను కూడా వస్తున్నాను.
Yes.
Like
Wait
that.
1 minute. I am also coming with you.
Like suppose you are not ready,
Yes.
your mother is going out,
Yes.
then what you will say?
Wait.
Wait. Okay, I will come.
Yes.
I am coming.
Okay. Yes.
Right. Now, like that, come. I come. I will come. I want to come.
Yes.
I am coming.
I came.
I came.
Okay, children?
Yes.
All these 5 or 6 sentences are there, right? You should know about it and learn about it. Okay? దీని గురించి నేర్చుకోవాలి అండ్ అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. అండ్ ఆల్సో you should use all these sentences with your teacher, with your friends and also your parents. Okay?
Yes.
ఈ అన్ని సెంటెన్స్ మీరు నేర్చుకోవాలి అండ్ ఆల్సో మీరు అందరితో మాట్లాడాలి.
Yes. So,
Okay, children?
try to practice all these sentences.
Yes.
And also like I can come.
Yes, I
నేను
can come.
రాగలను.
Yes.
I can come.
Yes.
I can't come.
నేను రాలేను.
నేను రాలేను.
Okay.
Suppose you got fever.
Yes, that's why.
Then
Your friend came and she asked,
Yeah.
are you coming to school today? మీ ఫ్రెండ్ వచ్చి అడిగారంట ఈరోజు స్కూల్కి వస్తున్నావా అని. I can't come to school today.
because I have fever.
Feeling not well. నేను
I'm not
బాలేను.
feeling good.
Yes.
I have fever, so I can't come.
Yes.
So like that, these all sentences you have to practice.
Yes.
All sentences what we used,
Come.
come. What is the action word?
Come. C-O-M-E.
Come.
Come, children.
Okay.
Okay.
Now once again, like I come, I came,
Yes. I will come.
I am
Coming.
coming,
Okay.
and I will
Come.
come.
Okay.
Like that, even I want to
Come.
come,
I want to come. I can come.
and I can
Come.
come,
See, we will count it, children. Come. Let's.
and I don't want to come.
Okay. I don't want to come to school today.
So like that, all
1,
these sentences.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7 sentences are there, right?
So like all sentences you should learn,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
So this is all about
Come.
come, sentences using
Come, children.
C-O-M-E,
Come. It is
Okay.
a
So-
action word.
And one more thing, you should use these sentences every day
Yes.
with your friends, family members,
Teachers.
everyone.
Okay.
Then only we can improve our communication.
Yes.
Okay.
So all these sentences are easy for you. You
Yes.
must practice and please speak in English. Try to speak in English.
Okay.
Okay. Yes,
So
children.
tomorrow we'll continue. Until then,
Bye bye. Bye, children. Thank you.